Elon Musk says the biggest mistake you can make is chasing money. That might sound strange coming from one of the richest people on Earth. But once you understand what he really means, you'll see why this mindset has influenced some of the companies that changed the world. Every day, millions of people wake up thinking about making more money. The next business idea, the next investment, the next side hustle. Money becomes the destination. But Elon Musk has a different way of looking at success. He once said, "Don't pursue money. Make useful products, and money will come as a consequence." First, it sounds like a simple motivational quote, but there's a much bigger idea behind it. Instead of asking, "How can I make money?" ask, "What problem can I solve?" And that small change in thinking can completely change how you approach business. Welcome to the Stack Hub. This is where we explore technology, artificial intelligence, business, and innovation, and show you how the ideas shaping the future can be applied in the real world. If you're interested in technology, entrepreneurship, and the future, you're in the right place. Now, let's get into it. Imagine two people starting businesses. The first person asks, "What can I sell that will make me rich quickly?" They follow trends, copy what's already working, and look for shortcuts. The second person asks, "What problem do people have that I can solve?" They study the problem. They improve their solution. They listen to customers. Their goal isn't to become rich overnight. Their goal is to become useful. And that's where the difference begins. Because when you create something people genuinely need, you're creating value. And when you consistently create value, money has a reason to follow. Look at some of the world's biggest companies. Google didn't become successful simply because its founders wanted to make billions. They created a better way for people to find information. Amazon started by making it easier for people to buy books online, then expanded into countless other areas. The pattern is simple: solve a problem, create value, then build around that value. And Elon Musk's companies provide some of the clearest examples. When Tesla pushed electric vehicles, the goal wasn't simply to sell another type of car. Tesla wanted to accelerate the transition towards sustainable energy. The company focused on making electric vehicles desirable, powerful, and technologically advanced. And as the product became more valuable to consumers, the business grew. Then there's SpaceX. For decades, launching rockets was incredibly expensive. One reason was simple: rockets were traditionally designed to be used and discarded. SpaceX challenged that idea by developing reusable rockets. Instead of accepting the existing system, they asked, "Can we do this differently?" That question helped transform the economics of space launches. And this brings us back to the main lesson. Don't start with the money. Start with the problem. Whether you're building a company, creating content, developing software, or using AI, the same principle applies. Instead of asking, "How do I get more views?" ask, "How can I make something people actually want to watch?" Instead of, "How do I make money from AI?" ask, "What problem can AI help me solve?" Maybe you can help a business save hours every week. Maybe you can build software that makes someone's work easier. Maybe you can create educational content that helps people understand complicated subjects. Maybe you can build a product that saves people time. That's where real opportunity begins. And this is especially important right now because artificial intelligence is making it easier than ever for individuals to build things that previously required entire teams. You can research faster, create prototypes, write code, design products, create content, automate repetitive tasks. But having powerful tools isn't enough. The people who benefit the most will be the ones who use those tools to solve meaningful problems. Because technology changes, trends change, platforms change, but human problems remain. People will always want to save time. They'll always want things to be easier. They'll always want better products. And they'll always pay attention to something that genuinely improves their lives. So maybe Elon Musk's advice isn't really about money at all. Maybe it's about value. When money is your only goal, it's easy to give up when things become difficult. But when you're focused on solving a problem, you have a reason to keep improving. And sometimes, that's what separates a temporary idea from something that lasts. So before you start your next business, Before you launch your next project, before you create your next YouTube video, ask yourself one question: who am I helping? If you can answer that clearly, you're already thinking differently. Build something useful, solve a real problem, create value, and let the money become the consequence, not the entire purpose. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the Stack Hub for more ideas about AI, technology, business, and the future. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, keep solving problems, and remember, what a time to be born.